Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
The ROG Phone II, Asus's latest gaming-centric smartphone, tries to blur the line between a gaming phone and a mainstream Android flagship. Even though the ROG Phone II is marketed as a dedicated gaming smartphone, but after using it for a week, I thought it would be perfect to call it a mainstream flagship built around gaming. I tested the ROG Phone II and here's my take on a gaming phone. The ROG Phone II has the same futuristic look as the original and I like the design. The rear panel, made of glass, has a customizable backlit ROG logo. You will also find a red accented grille on the rear, which is not here for any decorative purpose. The build quality is exceptional. However, the phone is on the heavier side and the giant screen makes the ROG Phone II harder to use one-handed than any other phone. One massive improvement in the ROG Phone II over the original is an in-display fingerprint scanner. It does feel fast and works great. The phone has a 6.6-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate with less than 1 millisecond of latency. The result is amazing. This is twice as fast as getting on the iPhone 11 Pro Max or the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. OnePlus 7 Pro's 90Hz display comes close, though it still can't match the 120Hz display on the ROG Phone II. A screen with a higher refresh rate results in fluid scrolling, greater responsiveness, and a smoother motion content. Whether you are a mainstream user, gamer, or power user, performance is not a concern on the ROG Phone II. The phone comes with a top-tier Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which is an upgrade over the Snapdragon 855. I have tried to push the ROG Phone to its limit in my week-long testing. The handset is ridiculously fast. In fact, I fired up the Asphalt 9, Real Racing 3 and Mortal Kombat and they run smooth and without a hiccup. Battery life on the ROG Phone II was good, lasting 2 days with reasonably heavy usage. The phone is powered by Android 9 Pie out of the box and not the latest Android 10. When you set up the device, you can choose between the ROG UI, which is a gaming-centric interface, and the standard Zen UI that Asus 6Z runs. Like the Asus 6Z, the ROG Phone II has two cameras, a 48-megapixel main sensor and a 125-degree 30-megapixel camera for wide-angle photos. The phone has a 24-megapixel front-facing shooter. The phone has the ability to take shots with an excellent amount of details and color. Yes, at times colors can get a bit oversaturated, but most people don't mind. The ROG Phone II is an entirely new smartphone that changes the narrative around gaming phones. The phone starts at Rs 37,999, a fair price for a device that has a 6.6-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor and a 6000 mAh battery.